In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to record and stream with OBS Studio step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. OBS Studio is one of the most powerful and free tools available for content creators, whether you're streaming on YouTube, Twitch, or recording high-quality videos for later upload. By the end of this video, you'll know how to connect your streaming platform, set the correct output settings, configure recording properly, and start streaming and recording with confidence. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure OBS Studio is installed on your computer and open it up. Once OBS is open, the first thing we're going to do is connect our streaming platform. To do this, look at the bottom right corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings window, click on the Stream tab from the left-hand menu. This is where you link OBS to platforms like YouTube or Twitch. In the Service dropdown, choose the platform you want to stream to. If you're streaming on YouTube, select YouTube Gaming. For Twitch, select Twitch. Once selected, you can either connect your account directly by logging in, or you can paste in your stream key from your platform's dashboard. For most beginners, logging in directly is the easiest and safest option. After your account is connected successfully, click Apply, but don't close the settings just yet. Next, we're going to set up the output settings for streaming. In the same settings window, click on Output. Make sure the output mode is set to Advanced so you can see all available options. Under the Streaming tab, locate the bitrate setting. For 1080p streaming, a good standard bitrate is 6,000 kilobits per second. This works well for both YouTube and Twitch and provides a good balance between quality and performance. If your internet upload speed supports it, this setting will give you a clean and smooth stream. Once you've set the streaming bitrate to 6,000 kilobits per second, we're going to move on to recording settings. Still inside the Output section, click on the Recording tab. Here, you can control how OBS saves your recordings. Set the recording format to MKV. This is very important because MKV files are much safer. If OBS crashes or your computer shuts down unexpectedly, your recording will not be corrupted. Next, choose a recording path by clicking Browse and selecting a folder on your computer where you want all your recordings to be saved. Make sure it's a location you can easily find later. Once that's done, click Apply and then OK to save all your settings. Now you're ready to start recording and streaming. Back on the main OBS window, you'll see the controls dock in the bottom right. To go live, simply click Start Streaming. If you also want to record at the same time, click Start Recording as well. OBS allows you to stream and record simultaneously, which is perfect if you want a backup copy or plan to upload the stream later. While streaming or recording, you can monitor your audio levels, scenes, and sources in real time to make sure everything looks and sounds right. When you're finished, just click Stop Streaming and stop recording. That's it. You've successfully learned how to record and stream using OBS Studio with the correct settings for high-quality output. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anyone else who's getting started with OBS. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.